So I bought the dip with some of you idiots, and I'm in the I'm in the red. What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing start to your day. I want to remind you that today is what's considered triple witching day. Feel free to Google it. So a bunch of options are supposed to expire, and there's supposed to be a lot of volatility. There's potentially a setup going on for Gamestop. I decided to buy the dip. I actually did it within my live trading session, and I set my stop loss. I now re-entered just because it's showing signs of a support, just like I told you guys yesterday. If it shows signs of a support, I wouldn't mind going long on it, right? I've been very open with you guys. I love showing you guys my green days. I love showing you guys my red days. Yesterday, I made a little bit over $9,000, partially shorting GameStop, but then now I want to go long, right? And I broke down my entire trade plan with you guys on the 1 hour time frame. It hasn't really been making much progress on the downside. It then rallies, it pulls back, it consolidates, rallies, pulls back, and consolidates. We've been consolidating for a really long time. It doesn't mean that it has to actually skyrocket today. So I set one of my OTO brackets, or sell brackets. I set one of my OTO brackets open right now, meaning that I have my take profits for 3,000 shares right around $25.80 and the stop loss at $24.45. So my entire trade is set up. So if it goes according to plan, it'll take profits. If it doesn't, I'll stop loss out. Very, very simple. Right now, so far on the day, I was down about $2,000. I want to be open with you guys. I mean, it's trying to recover, so I'm only down 800. Nonetheless, my break even is right around that the $25 price point. And I'm excited to follow up, right? Don't put yourself in a position in which you cannot tolerate. GameStop is a very, very risky stock. I've said it so many times before. I personally like shorting it. I like going long on it. I like to chase and focus on the opportunity. That's really what I like to focus on. And yeah, I mean, other than that, NASDAQ market was showing signs of some selling pressure. And then there's that quick little fake out and we began to recover. It doesn't really surprise me. The market's been finding any and every reason on why to recover. When you look at this on the 30-minute time frame, you can see that it's testing the moving average as a support. Are we going to recover from here, or are we finally going to break below the moving average and actively begin to sell off? That's what I'm waiting for confirmation on. So I would love to add also more to my GameStop position. So instead of just the 3,000 shares, I would love to add maybe, 10,000 shares total. So having about $250,000 in GameStop if it actually begins to indicate signs of an uptrend. But we don't show any of that as of right now. There's no indication of higher highs and higher lows. So there's no reason for me to be very aggressive with my position. But I wanted to show you, even before my trade goes according to plan, if I get stop lossed out or if I end up in the green, right? I'm going to show you before I'm in the green, just like my LPP team gets to watch me trade live every day. They get to see all of this live. So how cool would it be for you to be able to see my entries, my exits? You get to see the red days, you get to see the green days. I mean, we go live every single day. So it's not a and if or but it's, do you want to watch me trade live? If you do, it's the second link in the description down below. I trade live every single morning right at market open for about 30 minutes to about 2 hours, just depending on how active the market is. I'd love to see you there on Monday. Market's open Monday through Friday. So you can sign up today, get the 50% off discount right now, begin to review the lesson library, and then on Monday, you can watch me trade live. If you have any questions before signing up, shoot me a direct message. And remember, LPP is designed for complete beginners. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and you'll get to watch me trade live every single day. It's not for you to copy my trades, but it's for you to really understand the thought process behind every trade I take. So if you're someone that learns best by watching someone else do, then again, I really think that you would find the overall experience of watching me trade live quite enjoyable. So I appreciate your time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. We'll see. It looks like I'm about to be at that break-even mark right now for GameStop. We'll see if we end up in the green. So like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.